Hello, everyone, and welcome to No Boring Pneumatics channel. My name is Elvira, and today I'm very happy to have with me Mohamed from company Sidpek. Hi, Mohamed, how are you?
How are you, Olivera?
Yes, good,
It's
thank you.
yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, Mohammed, you work not only in compressed air, even though our channel is about compressed air, but you actually energy manager at Sidpek, and we had a chance to work together on the compressed air systems. But
Yeah.
now I would like to ask you in general about your work. So could you please tell a couple of words about yourself and introduce yourself?
Yeah. Actually, I'm happy to being with you today. Uh, my name is Mohamed Salaheldin. As you said, I have a PhD in industrial engineering, while my BSc was in communication and electronics engineering. My PhD thesis was about the energy efficiency optimization in petrochemical industry. Uh, I'm also a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt. Uh, Anyway, I'm now responsible for a large scope of activities, while I would like to highlight the key responsibilities as you requested of an energy manager in a petrochemical facility, which was one of the interesting posts I had. Let's say energy management performs all the basic activities to build, implement, and operate an effective energy management system. It could be based on the requirements of ISO 50001 or any similar requirements. But generally, these activities starting from analyzing the energy use and consumption, identify what we call the SEUs, which is significant energy use, set the objective and targets for energy efficiency improvement and the corresponding action plans, and follow up using effective tools for monitoring and evaluation. On the other hand, ensuring that all these activities are aligned with the company or the organization strategic goals, which include the preparation of what we call the context of the organization, and identifying the risks and opportunities and so on. This is the holistic view of the energy manager role.
Okay, so basically you describe now the energy management strategies, right? So we're going now into this. So can you tell us like how you usually prioritize the energy efficiency project? Is it by the main consumer? Is it by the guidelines? Or how it usually happens?
Actually, identify prioritizing energy efficiency projects based on the operational cost
Mm.
in a form of reduction in energy consumption. Also, the
Mhm.
total investment cost of the project, the ease of implementation and applicability, and accordingly reduction of the greenhouse gas emissions. I think those are the main items we use for the prioritization criteria for our energy efficiency projects.
Yes, and talking about the sustainability. So I mean, it's not only about the ROI, right? It's also the sustainability. What goals do you pursue? It's basically on the carbon emissions, or it's something else.
Yes, actually, based on the what we talked about, the effective energy management system, based on this effective energy management system, we have an improvement roadmap, and actually we develop these energy improvement roadmaps with a consultant, which a large consultant called KPC Yokogawa. Uh, Based on this roadmap of energy efficiency improvement, we developed our decarbonization strategy. And
Mm.
this is the point of relation with the sustainability.
Okay.
The what we call the decarbonization strategy based on the greenhouse gas emission reduction. We put a target for reducing the greenhouse gas emissions by around 17.8% in 2027 from the baseline emissions in 2022.
Mm-hmm.
And our decarbonization strategies has four pillars. The first, based on the continuous improvement, which is including the no-cost and low-cost opportunities. Second is about investment in energy efficiency projects, which is very important to invest in the energy efficiency improvement. And the third pillar about innovative projects for decarbonization.
Mm-hmm.
Like we can add some renewable energy projects, we can add algae projects related to algae, related to whatever. And we have also some projects under study regarding the methanation. We try to transform the CO2 with hydrogen to be methane and so
Mm.
on.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the third pillar about innovative projects for decarbonization. The fourth pillar about the digital energy management system. We have already a lot of available resources regarding the digitalization. We have plant information system, we have simulation software, and also when we work together, we have the simulations of the specific simulation software for the compressed air. All these resources could be merged together and integrated to have what we call the DEMS or digital energy management system with a live dashboard to give us an opportunity to improve, to follow up and to find improvement projects as well. So these are the four pillars: the continuous improvement, the investment projects and innovative projects, and the digital energy management system.
Okay. I mean, great.
Yes.
It has like the full picture. A lot. I already had so many
Yeah.
questions in my mind that you actually replied.
Yeah.
Can you share with
Yeah.
us
But
maybe?
yeah. But just to add a simple thing, all these four pillars are based on the concrete foundation of the effective energy management system. This is the good point. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe can you share with us a few success stories and some success stories on the implementation of this kind of projects or ongoing projects?
Yeah. Actually, the main success story in the CHP project.
Mm-hmm.
The CHP, we have a combined heat and power project. We have already some boilers in Sidpek, and we are going to replace one of these boilers by a CHP unit. CHP unit consists of a gas turbine to produce electricity, generate
Mm-hmm.
electricity, and in addition, HRSG or heat recovery steam generator to produce the same amount of steam we need. So we replace the existing boiler by a CHP unit. And this project is now under construction, and it will be in service in next in the I think next year it will be
Okay.
in operation by the end of the next year, and this project will provide Sedgwick with one third of our power usage. So
Okay.
and after the success of this project, I think we can replicate it for the other boilers to and the CHP actually is one of the main applications for energy efficiency improvement.
Okay, okay. And like in general, because you already been for some time on this topic and you're really experienced, how do you see the like how you look ahead? How do you see the future of energy managing systems evolving? Like what parts are missing, or what are the challenges that you still have?
Yeah, actually, I think most of the challenge regarding the human factor.
Okay.
Either to find a qualified person who can understand how to analyze the energy use so that could understand how to optimize or to find the persons who are satisfied by the benefits of the optimization because it's a very challenging issue. Other challenges could be the availability to invest in energy optimization, which if we think of it, is also related to the human factor. And this situation, the top management commitment and support to give the opportunity to invest. So this is also related to the impact of the human factor.
Okay, so and maybe like but basically, I guess this would be like the final conclusion that your advice will be to look at the human factor and to educate people. But what would be your advice based on this as the experienced energy manager?
Yeah, actually, we focus on the what we call culture change and the knowledge management system to give the opportunity for training and to give the opportunity for exchange of experiences and so on, and also encourage all people and give them some incentives to be satisfied by the benefits of the energy management system and the energy efficiency improvement. To reduce the energy consumption is somehow a duty for all people to keep our planet in a safe condition.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mohammed. I mean, it's a lot of work to do, knowing like that your facility is big and has so many factors. Really compliments for your work, and thank you so much for sharing a little bit your experience today with us.
Thank you, Olivera. But before we leave, I think we have to focus also on the compressed air because it's a very important issue in the energy management system. And we did very good work with Directin. And now also we are going to use new technology to replace the existing compressed air by new energy efficient compressed air compressors for the compressed air system. This is a good
That's
point.
great. I hope you also it will be more implementations, and we will have then a separate interview and talk presenting the results. That would be really great. I really enjoyed to work in your factory, and I must say that all the operators and managers, they were like really professional. So they really like followed us, they helped us a lot, explain, and they would answer like any questions.
Yeah, thank you. And it was our pleasure to work with the team.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mohammed.
Thank you, Olivera. Thank you. Thank you.